Blepharoplasty in Turkey. Welcome to Avicenna International Hospital. If you're looking to restore a youthful, vibrant appearance to your eyes, you're in the right place. Our team specializes in blepharoplasty surgeries, performed with unmatched precision and expertise. Blepharoplasty, or eyelid surgery, is designed to rejuvenate the eyelids. With age, our eyelids may develop excess fat, causing sagging skin and a tired look. Blepharoplasty targets both upper and lower eyelids, removing excess fat, tightening loose skin, and restoring a refreshed, youthful appearance. The ideal candidates for eyelid surgery are generally in good health with no health issues that might delay healing, free of significant eye problems, and non-smokers. Eyelid surgery types. Upper eyelid surgery. Upper blepharoplasty focuses on drooping skin, which can age your appearance and even obstruct vision. Our surgeons will skillfully tighten the skin, remove excess tissue, and create a more youthful look. Lower eyelid surgery. The lower eyelid can show early signs of aging, such as puffiness and loose skin. Lower blepharoplasty smoothens this area, removing excess fat for a refreshed look and tightening the skin for a youthful appearance. To consider blepharoplasty, you should be in good health and a non-smoker. While age isn't a strict factor, your skin's condition is essential. In cases where peripheral vision is affected, eyelid surgery may be necessary. Choosing a qualified surgeon is key to successful results. Avicenna International Hospital's team includes highly skilled surgeons certified by the International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, ISAPS. Turkey offers affordable eyelid surgery without compromising quality. At Avicenna, upper eyelid surgery costs around $1,200, lower eyelid surgery about $1,700, and both together approximately $2,400, making Turkey a preferred destination for blepharoplasty. Before the procedure. During your consultation, your surgeon will outline the results and incision points. The procedure may be done under general or local anesthesia, based on your unique needs. The procedure itself. Your surgeon will make a small incision on the upper or lower eyelid crease, carefully removing excess skin and fat to achieve your desired look. They'll balance fat volume for symmetry before closing the incision with precision. Essential information for eyelid surgery. Duration: 1-2 hours. Recovery: 1-2 weeks for normal activities. Hospital stay. Typically, a one-night stay is required. Exercise: avoid strenuous activities for 4-6 weeks. Anesthesia: general or local, as decided by your surgeon. While blepharoplasty is generally safe, possible risks include anesthetic reactions, infection, muscle damage, dry eyes, skin color changes, and occasionally, blurry vision. Full recovery usually takes about 3-4 weeks, though this can vary. Following your surgeon's post-op instructions is crucial for a smooth recovery and optimal results. To promote a smooth recovery, use cold compresses to reduce swelling and discomfort. Avoid strenuous activities for at least 2 weeks. Follow your eyelid care instructions for ointments and eye drops. Protect your eyes with sunglasses outdoors and avoid smoking or alcohol to aid healing. While swelling and bruising fade in a few weeks, final results may take a few months. Most patients find the results natural, with a more refreshed and youthful look. Your journey to brighter, youthful eyes begins here at Avicenna International Hospital. If you're considering blepharoplasty in Turkey, reach out to schedule a consultation with one of our experienced surgeons.